Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to install XAMPP on Windows 11. XAMPP is a powerful tool that lets you run a local server for web development, making it perfect for testing PHP, MySQL, and Apache projects. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to Google. Type in XAMPP and hit enter. The first link should be from Apache Friends, that's the official site. Download the latest version. Locate the downloaded file, usually in Downloads. Double-click the installer. You may need admin rights. Select components, keep default, Apache, MySQL, BHP, PHP, MyAdmin. Choose installation folder and click Next. Once the installation is complete, make sure the box that says, "Do you want to start the control panel now?" is checked, and then click Finish. This will open the XAMPP control panel where you can manage Apache, MySQL, and other services. To test everything is working, click the Start buttons next to Apache and MySQL. You should see the background turn green, meaning they're running. Now click on Admin. This will open your browser, and if everything went well, you'll see the XAMPP page. Congrats! You've successfully installed XAMPP. And that's it! You've successfully installed XAMPP on Windows 11. Now you can start building and testing websites locally. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.